I'm going to give you one of the reasons why I have my YouTube channel. Um, I'm getting old. I know that. And this is one way that I've kind of made an agreement with my kids that as long as I'm posting on a weekly average or maybe more, and they see that I'm doing all right and they can tell by my videos, they're going to leave me out here let me be out here in my RV. So, if you're over 60, I suggest get a YouTube channel and start posting if you're in your RV, even if no one's going to see it, and at least have it out there so that your kids can take a look and see how you're doing and make sure that you're not, in need of help. And, as I get older, if they see that I'm not making it, if I'm looking thin or if I'm looking sickly or all that, they'll reel me back in. So just giving you an idea that, you know, post your YouTube just for yourself and for your family. You're not trying to monetize. You're just trying to, give them peace of mind because they can check up on you anytime they want by just looking at your YouTube video. And I want to thank all you people that are out there that are contributing to my channel. I'm overwhelmed. I'm appreciative, and I love you all. And you know, it's not for everybody. And those of you who are saying no, I appreciate you too. But I'll keep, like I say, thank you so much, all of you, and I'll keep posting if you keep watching. Thanks a lot. Bye.